Jesse here, and in today's topic I wanted to talk about my curly hair routine that I use to grow my hair and keep it healthy, natural, and growing over the past few years. These tips have helped me out, and I've used strategies and implemented different kinds of diets and using different kind of products that have really helped accelerate the growth of my hair, make it nice and frizzy, curly, and natural. And I've loved it after the past 3-5 months. So how did I get it so natural and curly? Well, I use a few products for my hair, and when I was growing it over the past 5 months, I stuck with a routine that I would do every day since January the 1st of this year, 2020. Whichever year you're watching it in, you might be watching it in a future year, 2022, 3, 4, 5, whatever. But the routine works, and I've been using it for the past few months, several months. So basically all I did was I used specific products such as gel and shampoos, as well as specific soaps and supplements in order to really accelerate the growth. Some of the products that I do mention in this video are affiliate products. It does help the channel a little bit if you do purchase from those links, but it's definitely beneficial for you if you're looking to grow your hair very fast. And I've grown my hair at least 1 to 2 inches every single month. Very natural and curly, and it's because I've been using very specific products. And you could also see that I do have some grays, but the reason why I have that is because of my age, right? Even though a lot of people think that I'm younger because I have long hair like this. So what products am I using? I'm using specific products like Dove, for instance, Dove for men. If you're a lady, you can use Dove for ladies as well, and it works the same way. But I use a very specific one. You can go for this one even if you are a lady. What it is thick and strong. Basically, it has calcium and also caffeine in it. And caffeine actually helps accelerate the growth in your hair, especially in like the certain basically inside of your roots. So if you're looking to get healthier roots in your hair, you definitely want to try this product out. And there's also a link in the description if you take a look and read through that. It's a very special link right there. Another product that I've been using for the past few months that I actually use religiously is basically Eco Style. That it has different elements that help you grow your hair, such as olive oil. So basically olive oil is in the gel, and it helps with dry scalp, also helps with dry hair. It's very natural because it's using olive oil, so it helps grow your hair a lot faster because you're also putting natural ingredients, vitamins, that sort of thing in your hair. And then finally, the final product that I recommend if you want to get like curly frizzy hair, depending on if you're a lady or a man and you just want to have like an afro kind of style, like up and frizzy going up, like gravity up, you can use this thing. Now my puppy he chewed on this, but you can get this at any store. This one's a little bit chewed because my puppy ate it. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna just rub your product on your head like this, and it helps with the natural curl of it, making it look, it's giving it that kinky kind of look. So as you can see, it makes it look a little bit more natural, and it has a pretty cool look and effect to it. And this helps exercise your hair, and this is why I do this on a regular basis. I usually do this in the morning, and then sometimes I'll do it in the night. depending on what time of day of it is, but I usually do it after my shower, and that really helps grow the hair. Another product that I definitely recommend, a vitamin that I definitely recommend, is Folifort. Folifort is a product that I've been recommending in the past, and this product is a supplementary product that helps you accelerate the growth. So if you're looking to accelerate it within a short period of time, I highly recommend using this product. The link is in the description below. You could also couple it up with vitamin C, vitamin D. Also, biotin is a product that I always recommend. You can get that supplement there. There's also a link in the description. Biotin is a product that helps grow your hair very fast, your nails, and makes your skin looks glowy and nice. I also recommend drinking a lot of water if you want to grow your hair fast. So if you want to make it natural and curly, that's the routine that I recommend doing for 2020. If you have any comments about it, let me know. Link is in the description. And that's it. I hope you got some value from this video. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Take care.